1948 BMW 321 Coupe. Price: $12,750. Location: Colorado, USA. The 1948 BMW 321 Coupe. Sitting quietly in Colorado may not look like a million-dollar classic today, but hidden beneath its aged green paint and patches of surface, rust is a remarkable piece of automotive history. For collectors and restoration enthusiasts, discoveries like this are becoming increasingly rare. This vintage BMW represents an era when automobiles were crafted with elegance, character, and timeless design that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. The first thing that grabs attention is the coupe's unmistakable pre-war styling that carried into the post-war years. Its split windshield, separated by a beautiful chrome strip, gives the car a distinctive appearance that instantly transports you back to the late 1940s. Every curve and body line reflects the craftsmanship of a period when designers focused on creating rolling works of art rather than simply building transportation. Even after decades of aging, the BMW 321 Coupe still possesses a presence that modern vehicles struggle to match. The power comes from an inline four-cylinder engine paired with a four-speed manual transmission, a combination that offered drivers an engaging and rewarding experience. Equipped with a double-barrel carburetor, this classic BMW was engineered to deliver dependable performance during its era. Although the vehicle is currently not running, the original mechanical setup remains a valuable foundation for a future restoration. For many enthusiasts, bringing a dormant classic back to life is one of the most satisfying experiences in the automotive world. The interior tells its own fascinating story. Open the rear hinged doors and you'll discover a spacious bench seat designed for comfort and practicality. Unlike many modern sports cars that prioritize aggressive styling over passenger space, this BMW was built to provide a refined driving experience. Additional details such as the glove compartment, vintage dashboard features, and original design elements help preserve the authenticity of this historic automobile. The condition of the car presents both a challenge and an opportunity. While some buyers may focus on the rust and restoration work required, experienced collectors often see tremendous potential. Project cars like this offer the chance to create something truly special. Every restored component, every polished trim piece, and every rebuilt mechanical part becomes part of a rewarding journey that transforms a forgotten vehicle into a show-stopping masterpiece. The 15-inch steel wheels further emphasize the car's vintage charm and historical significance. Imagine this coupe fully restored with fresh paint, gleaming chrome accents, a rebuilt engine, and a meticulously refreshed interior. It would undoubtedly become a standout attraction at classic car shows, vintage rallies, and BMW enthusiast gatherings.